Education is changing and AI is at the heart of it. Welcome to Kalpata. In today's video, we are diving into how artificial intelligence is making learning smarter, faster, and more personalized than ever. Let's get started. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI in education? AI in the classroom isn't just about robots teaching lessons. It's about the use of smart technology to better enhance learning and help students and teachers perform better. AI tools like Grammarly for improving writing, Coursera for suggesting personalized courses, and Google Gemini for providing database insights use data and algorithms to help students improve their learning experience. They personalize their learning and even help out with tasks that take up too much time. Imagine having a virtual assistant guiding you along the way. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest benefits: personalized learning. Every student learns in a different way, right? AI makes it possible to tailor lessons specifically to each student. Whether you need a more time on math or want a deeper dive into history, AI adjusts to your needs. No more one-size-fits-all teaching. Tools such as Gradescope grade assignments and provide personalized feedback so that every lesson is matched with the student's level. AI will analyze data on which material students are understanding well or where they are not. It will adjust the lessons to match their individual pace. So this way, every student learns at his or her pace. How cool is that? Ever been stuck on homework late at night and wished you had a tutor? AI-powered chatbots are available 24/7, ready to assist students anytime, anywhere. Whether it's reviewing a lesson, answering questions, or helping with a tricky problem, these chatbots provide instant support. And the best part? They're personalized and can even offer step-by-step explanations. Teachers teach, grade papers, provide feedback, track progress, and plan lessons. That is a lot more than teaching. However, AI is here to save the day. AI can do boring, time-consuming things such as grading assignments and giving feedback. Today, teachers are not spending hours marking papers, but rather focusing more on helping students in class. That is the strength of AI in education. It allows teachers more time to teach and interact with students. One of the major changes AI has brought in education is learning from anywhere. The days are long gone when education was location-based. Now, with AI, students can take classes anywhere in the world. Platforms like Coursera bring high-quality education to anyone with an internet connection. Therefore, students from the countryside or distant countries can have good learning materials over the internet. Evidently, distance is not a factor anymore. And let's not forget that AI makes learning more interactive and fun. Traditional textbooks are very nice, but with the help of AI, we could really bring lessons to life. Imagine exploring ancient Egypt with a virtual tour or performing science experiments without the use of a lab. That is really making education more interactive and practical. Now, it's not all perfect. As much as AI is changing education for the better, we still face some challenges. First, accessibility. Not all students have the same access to AI tools. While some can afford the latest technology, others can't. This creates a divide that we'll need to address so that AI doesn't leave anyone behind. Another concern is privacy. AI is collecting data to help personalize learning. There are important questions about security and how that data is used. Schools and institutions will have to be extra careful about keeping that information safe. So, what does the future look like? Well, AI is just getting started. In the next few years, we'll see even smarter tools that understand how each student learns best. Education will become more personalized, accessible, and interactive than ever. Now, let's tackle one of the biggest concerns. Will AI replace teachers? The answer to that is no. AI is here to help in education, not replace teachers. It is always going to be there. It's about guiding students, teaching critical thinking, and being emotional support. AI will be helpful with the grading processes, but human teachers are definitely going to be at the heart of education. As AI becomes a larger part of education, it also prepares students for the future workforce. So learning how to use AI will be a must. Schools are already incorporating AI education into their curriculums and teaching students the skills they will need to thrive in the jobs of tomorrow. At the same time, don't forget about soft skills. As AI handles more of the technical work, critical thinking, communication, and creativity will become more important than ever. These skills are the key to working with AI effectively. Being able to think outside the box and collaborate with others will be important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more videos from Girl Power Talk. See you next time.